Good morning, children.
Last class we studied about multiplication. Today we are going to learn about division. Let us see some properties of division. First one, property of 1. When a number divided by 1, we will get the same number as a quotient. That is same number as a answer. For example, 5 divided by 1 equal to 5. Another one example, 36 divided by 1 equal to 36. When a number divided by 1, we will get the same number as a quotient. And then remainder is 0. Second property, when 0 is divided by a number, the quotient is 0. For example, 0 divided by 97 equal to 0. When 0 divided by a number, for example, we can use any number. 0 divided by a number, it gives 0 as a quotient. Next we will see third property. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. For example, 54 divided by 54. Here dividend and divisor both are same. 54 divided by 54, it gives quotient as 1, remainder is 0. When a number divided by itself, that is dividend and divisor both are same, means we will get the same answer 1. Let us see one example in division. Divide 639 by 3. By 3 table we have to divide 639. Compulsory you have to write 3 table. See, 3 is a divisor, 639 is a dividend. What children? 3 is a divisor, 639 is a dividend. Okay. Let us consider first digit in dividend. Here we have 6. 6 is a bigger number or smaller number comparing to 3. Yes, very good. 6 is a bigger number comparing to divisor 3. So, we can divide 6 by 3 table. Suppose in this place we have 2 means, then we have to take next digit also. 2 is a smaller number comparing to 3. So, see the question, we have 6. We have to divide by 3 table. See the 3 table, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So, in 3 table, 6 how many times? Yes, 2 3s are 6. In quotient place, put 2 and then you have to write 6 here. Then you have to subtract 6 minus 6. What will come? Yes, very good. 0. Next, you have to take next digit. It is greater than or equal to the divisor 3? Yes, equal to divisor 3. See the 3 table. How many 3s are 3? Yes, 1 3 is 3. So, in quotient, we want to put 1 and then we have to write 3 here. Subtract this. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then you have to take next digit 9. In 3 table, 9 how many times? Yes, very good. 3 3s are 9. Here in quotient place put 3 and then here you want to write 9. Subtract this 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. Very good. Now listen, what is your quotient? 213. What is your remainder? 0. Very good. Finally, you have to write quotient and remainder compulsory. What is your quotient? 213. And then remainder is 0. Quotient is 213 and remainder is 0. See another example. Divide 12,654 by 9 table. Here divisor is 9. So by 9 table we have to divide. Compulsory you have to write the 9 table for division sum. Listen. Take the first digit in the dividend. 1 is a smaller number or bigger number comparing to 9. Yes, 1 is a smaller number comparing to 9. So we can't divide. We have to take 2 digits. By using 9 table, we can divide 12. See 9 table. 12 is coming or not? Say the 9 table. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. So 2 9s are 18. We can't take. Less than 12 only we have to take. 1 9 is 9. So 1 9 is 9. Now we have to subtract this. After 9 up to 12 count. Yes, what will come? Very good. 3. Next digit we have to take. Now we have 36. In 9 table, 36 how many times? Yes, 4 9s are 36. In quotient place, what we have to write? Yes, very good. 4. And then here 36. Now we have to subtract this. 6 minus 6. 0. 3 minus 3. 0. Very good. Then we have to take next digit 5. 5 is a smaller number or greater number comparing to divisor 9. Yes, 5 is a smaller number comparing to the divisor 9. So we can't divide 5. So we have to put 0 in the quotient place. Then we have to take next digit. 54 in 9 table how many times? Yes, 6 9s are 54 in 9 table. In quotient place we want to write 6 and then here we want to write 54. Now we have to subtract this. 4 minus 4. What will come? 0. Next 5 minus 5. 0. Now what is your quotient? 1406 is your quotient and remainder is 0. So quotient is 1406 and remainder is 0. Once again I will recall this sum. By 9 table, we have to divide 12,654. For that, first we have to consider first digit. 1 is a smaller number comparing to 9. So, we have to take 2 digit. In 9 table, 12 is not coming. So, we have to take 9. 1 9 is 9. So, in quotient place 1 and here 9 we want to put. 12 minus 9 what will come? Yes, 3. Next digit we have to take. 36 in 9 table. How many times? 4 9s are 36. So in quotient place 4 and here 36 we want to write. Subtract this 0 0. Take next digit 5. 5 is a smaller number comparing to 9. So we can't divide. The quotient place we want to put 0. Then take next digit 4. Now we have 54. In 9 table, 6 9s are 54. So in quotient place put 6 and then here we want to write 54. Now subtract this 0, 0. Now quotient is 1406 and then remainder is 0. Last sum we saw single digit division. Now let us see 2 digit division. Listen the example. Divide 49,572 by 12. Divisor is 12. So by 12 table we have to divide 49,572. First we have to write the 12 table. Next divisor is 12. So we have to check first 2 digit in dividend. What we have in first 2 place? Yes, 49. 49 is smaller number or greater number comparing to 12. Yes, 49 is greater than 12. So we can divide 49 by 12 table. See the 12 table. How many times it is coming? 1 12 is 12. 2 12s are 24. 3 12s are 36. 4 12s are 48. 5 12s are 60. 5 12s are 60. We can't take. So 4 12s are 48. We can use 4 as a quotient. And here we want to write 48. Now we want to subtract. 9 minus 8, what will come? Yes, very good. 1. 4 minus 4, what will come? Very good. 0. Then we have to take next digit 5. 15 is divided by using 12 table or not? Yes, 15 is a greater number comparing to 12. So we can divide by 12 table. 1 12 is 12. We can use. 2 12s are 24. We can't take. It is a bigger number. So 1 12 is 12. In quotient place we want to put 1 and then here we want to write 12. Now we have to subtract. 5 minus 2, what will come? Yes, very good. 3. 1 minus 1, what will come? 0. Very good. Then we have to move to next digit 7. Now we have 37. We have to divide this by 12 table. In 12 table, 37 how many times? 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48. We have to use 3 12s are 36. 3 in quotient place and here we want to write 36. Now we have to subtract this. 7 minus 6, 1. 3 minus 3, what will come? 0. Very good. Next we want to take next digit 2. In 12 table how many times? 1 12 is 12. In quotient place 1 and then we want to write 12 here. Subtract this. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 12 minus 12, what will come? 0. Now quotient is 4131 is the quotient and then remainder is 0. Compulsory we have to write quotient and remainder. Quotient is 4131. Hope you can understand this concept very well. We will continue this lesson in next video. Thank you.